Always have my candle burning. First thing I do in the morning. Sitting down now to plan out my hour of the things I want to accomplish. Just making my list, and anything I get done in addition is just a bonus. Hey guys, Lan here on GradysMom. In this video, I am doing a collaboration with my friend Kira over at 50 Shades of Mom. Her and I have collaborated before, but the difference is normally we collaborate together in the same room, but I recently moved back to New York, so unfortunately we can't collab together in person anymore, but we have come together because she is currently doing a mini series on her channel, 50 Shades of Mom, of organizational and cleaning videos to help motivate, because I know personally I get a lot of motivation from watching people doing power hours or clean with me or organize with me videos. I love doing them myself. So when she asked me to be a part of her mini series by collabing together, I was all over it. As far as power hours go, I tend to do a power hour pretty much maybe once or twice a week. And I thought in this video I would just share a random power hour that I was gonna do anyways this week. I have 4 things on my list that I need to accomplish. My power hours are different every time I do them. So sometimes it might look very similar to today's, and other times it could be nothing like today. It really just varies on the day. You know, sometimes it's specific cleaning or specific things I need to organize, that kind of thing. So today on my power hour list, I will pretty much set the timer or just kind of clock watch for an hour. I actually have to go out a majority of the morning and afternoon. My son just went to school. So this morning's power hour, I have 4 main things that I want to accomplish. Anything in addition to that is just icing on the cake. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start a load of laundry, because my laundry takes like a good hour and change. So I wanna start that. So worst case scenario, if it's not done by the time I leave my house, when I get back home later, I can just hang up all the clothes because I hang dry our laundry. The second thing I want to do is make my bed and kind of tidy up my bedroom. Just not deep clean it, just kind of tidy up any little things. I know I need to like change the garbage, make the bed, little things like that. I of course have to unload the dishwasher. I have a load of dishes waiting for me every morning, so I have to do that. And today I have to actually start dinner in the crock pot. I am making Mississippi chicken, which is really easy. I did a whole video on it, I'll link it below. I'm also gonna put in the description box below the link to Kira's entire playlist for her current mini series, again, of cleaning and organizational videos. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Definitely go over and check out her video after. I will link her channel in the description box below, as well as in an end card at the end of my video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoy it. So every morning I throw a load of laundry in, and I do this right when Grady goes to school so that it's working and I can get other things done while the clothes are washing. And I hang dry all of our clothes that aren't linens or socks or underwear, so I'm just doing that to start my morning. So after I threw my laundry in, I like to make my bed pretty much first thing every morning. I've noticed the days I don't make my bed, when I come home or I'm just in and out, it kind of makes me feel kind of frumpy, and I don't know, just makes me feel good and motivated to make the bed and start my day off that way. So I'm just tidying up my room, getting it all ready and presentable. My upstairs bathroom needed a little bit of freshening up. My husband's just been so busy, we all have. So I just figured I would clean the mirror and just wipe down the sink really quick just to freshen it up a little bit. We don't really use this bathroom that much, but it still felt good to just freshen up. So every morning there is a load of dishes in the dishwasher for me to unload. So after I throw my laundry in and the laundry is going, I unload the dishwasher every single morning. I usually put a drying mat out like I did here. I like to put anything that's like plasticky, that's still a little bit wet on there, and just let it air dry so it's completely dry before I put it in the cabinets. So I'm just getting the chicken into the oil before I get it into the crock pot. This is a really easy recipe to do on a busy day because it only takes about 4.5 hours. It's going to be really good. I actually didn't have brown gravy mix, so I improvised and used meatloaf mixture, meatloaf seasoning. It'll come out just fine, and it's really good, easy, and perfect for a day like today when I'm going to be out of the house most of the day. Just feels so good to know that I'm leaving the house for several hours. My laundry's done, my dishwasher's clear, my bed is freshly made, and dinner is cooking itself. So thank you so much, Kira, for asking me to collaborate with you. Love you so much, miss you even more. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.